Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see polynomials class 9 exercise 2.5. So these are the identities which you people have already learnt in your class 8. So today based on this we are going to start with the exercise. This is the exercise 2.5 first question.
Okay children, x plus a into x plus b. So this is the identity which we are going to use here. So when you use your identity here, a value is 4 and b value is 10. So we are going to substitute that here. That is x plus 4 into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into, so what is a now? A is 4. What is b? B is here 10. Plus 4 into 10. So that will be equal to x square plus 4 plus 10. 4 plus 10 is 14. So it will be 14 into x is 14x plus 4 into 10 is 40. So now this will be the expansion of x plus 4 and x plus 10. So now let's see the next question. Next question is similar to this. It is x plus 8 and x minus 10. So in this question also, here we are going to use the same identity only. There is no x minus a, x minus b identity. This is the only identity where you will have both with the positive sign only, but a and b value can differ with the sign. So now you see in this example, if I take now x plus a and x plus b, here you x value will be, a value will be 8 and b value will be minus 10. So whenever they give a question related to identity, compulsory you have to write down the identity. Okay. So identity will carry mark. So now you are going to substitute x plus 8 into x minus 10, which is equal to x square plus x. What is a? A is 8. B, what is b? B is minus 10. So write as it is. Here also 8 into minus 10. Okay. 8 into minus 10. So now substitute x square plus 8 minus 10. What is 8 minus 10? 8 minus 10 is minus 2. And plus 8 minus 10. So minus 80. So write in the next step. Minus into plus will give you minus 2x minus 80. Many children will go wrong here because usually they see only the operation and they forget to put the sign, and you have to follow here the rule of integers. Okay, so here it is x square minus 2x minus 80. So now let's see the next question, third one. So here the third question is 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 5. So when you see here 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 5, same identity only here. So here the third question is 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 5. So when you see here 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 5, same identity only here. Okay, because x is constant here. But here you have a coefficient also along with it, so no problem, but the identity will be the same. So here write the identity. By writing this identity only you can by heart actually. 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 5. So now what is x? X value is 3x. Don't write only square, you have to put a bracket compulsory. Plus 3x into, what is a? A is 4. What is b? B is minus 5 plus a into b. So that is 4 into minus 5. So here it is 3x square. What is 3x square? 3 square is 9 and x square write as it is. Plus 3x, 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. 4 into minus 5. 4 into minus 5 is 20. So here you will get 9x square minus 3x minus 20. Okay children, understood? So this is how you have to do such type of question. Now let's see the next example. Okay, now we will see the next example, that is the fourth one. So now in fourth one, y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2. Okay children, see in the previous one, in the previous example here when you see x value was same, a and b differed, right? But here you see first value is different. First value is y square here. In both the binomials it is y square only. And the second term also it is same, but it differs with sign. If that is the case, which identity can we apply? Yes, you can apply a plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. So now what is a value? A value will be y square. A value will be y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2, which is equal to, now y square, and already you have another square. So what you should do? Put whole square. Minus 3 by 2 whole square. Always put bracket here. So now what is y square to the power of 2? Y to the power of 4. Minus 3 by 2 whole square. What is 3 square? 3 square is 9. And 2 square is 4. So this will be the answer. Y power 4 minus 9 by 4. Now next one, fifth one. Now we will see the fifth question. Fifth question is 3 minus 2x and 3 plus 2x. So now when you see, same, it is in the form of, how you have to check is you have to see the terms. Here it is same. Here you have 3, here also you have 3. Here you have 2x, here also you have 2x. Here it is minus, but here it is plus. So here first you will have plus and then minus. If you want, now you can rearrange it. So we will write this as 3 plus 2x and 3 minus 2x. Otherwise also you can do, not a problem. But the identity is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So we are rearranging it. So by after writing this, you will come to know what is a. A is 3. So 3 whole square. What is b? 2x whole square. One more thing. What children make a mistake here is, they will write here, they will see this minus 2 and again they will put minus 2 here. Please don't do that mistake. Okay. After we multiply, after we find out the result only, we are applying this identity. Once again you should not go and put the minus sign in between. Okay. So that is a common mistake what children do. So now here 3 square is 9. 2 square. First write the square of the number and the variable 4x square. So this will be the answer. Okay children. So this is how you have to do. So this is a first main. So first main we have completed. So those who have not done, you can quickly pause this video and make a note of it. It's very easy children. So in this we have learnt about two identity. So which are the identity? X plus a into x plus b and a plus b into a minus b. So these are the two identities which we have learnt. So now we will see the next main. So now first example is 103 into 107. Okay. 103 into 107 when you take, here you can split this and write. You can split and write this as 100 plus 3. Okay. And 100 plus 7. So you can write this in such a way that you can apply x plus a into x plus b identity, x plus a into x plus b. So now what is x plus a into x plus b? It is x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Actually, whenever they ask evaluate question, this it is not a compulsion, you can directly apply. So here you will have 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7, you will have 100 square plus 100 into a is 3 and b is 7. So 3 plus 7 and 3 into 7. So here you will get 100 square. So 1 followed by 4 0 plus 7 plus 3 is 10. So 10 into 100 is 1000 plus 21. So now 10,000 plus 1000 plus 21, here you will get 11,021. So this will be the answer. Okay. So now let's see the next question. Second one. So second one is 95 into 96. So 95 into 96, you can write this. You have to split and write. You can either write it as 90 plus 5 and 90 plus 6 and you can apply this. But when you write 90 plus 5 and 90 plus 6, calculation will be more. Mainly we are using this to reduce our calculation. So instead we will use 100 minus 5 and to 100 minus 4. So A will be minus 5, B will be minus 4. Okay. So same x plus a into x plus b only, don't go to change the identity. Okay. So what is 100 minus 5 here and 100 minus 4 here. So here you will get 100 square plus 100 into minus 5 minus 4. A is minus 5, B is minus 4 plus minus 5 into minus 4. Minus 5 into minus 4. So here you will get 100 square 1, 2, 3, 4 and here you will have minus 5 minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9 and minus 5 into minus 4 is minus 20. So here you will get 10,000 minus 900 minus 20. So now these two you can add because they both are negative numbers. Add and subtract it from 10,000, you will get 9,120. Okay, 9,120. And now let's see the next question. So third question is, if you can write this way, you can apply another identity, and this is not possible for all. Okay, for all the other questions it was not applicable because if you put here 100 minus 5 and 100 plus 5, here again you should get 95, but here you have 96. But here 100 plus 4 and 100 minus 4 you do, exactly you will get 104 into 96. So you may wonder which identity when to apply. See children, all this you can understand and you can apply it only if you practice. At least 2 to 3 times you have to practice, only then you will get to know how to do it. Okay, so this is which identity? A plus B into A minus B, easiest identity. Okay, so here it is 100 plus 4 into 100 minus 4 is equal to 100 square minus 4 square. Don't go to apply this minus 4. Okay, I told you already. So 10,000 minus 4 square is 16. So when you subtract, you will get 9984. Yeah. Okay children, so this is how you have to solve. So all the 3 questions are done. Meet you in the next video. Those who have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe children and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification and you can practice the questions as many times you want. Okay. Meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye children.